Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to enable lean peek in Delta Force. If you want to peek around corners without fully exposing yourself in Delta Force, then enabling lean peek can give you a tactical advantage in battles. First of all, launch open your Delta Force application on your device and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Once logged in, tap on the settings icon at the top right corner. Inside the settings menu, select Basic from the left hand side. Under Basic, click on Control. Under Control, click on right under Lean Peek. And then under the Lean Peek mode, select whether you'd like to use press, hold or hybrid. Make any kind of an adjustments inside the Lean Peek option. And once you are done, you can then get back to the game and start the game. Enter a match or training mode and press the assigned lean buttons to peek around corners without exposing your full body. That's how you can easily turn on lean peek in Delta Force. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.